welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I just thought I would do a quick fast forwarded video of me having a deep cleanse of my kitchen. It is a huge mess. I'm going to show you the before and after in just a second. So I just wanted to basically fix up. I finished uni yesterday, I did my last exam, so I'm not going back now till September, and I just feel like I can finally get my life back on track. I can actually think about myself now instead of just feeling guilty all the time about uni and not doing assignments. So yeah, feeling really good, and I just want to get my house into tip-top shape and just really cleanse everything out. I just feel like, you know, when your house is tidy, you just feel happier and you just feel more motivated, and I don't know. So I'm just gonna basically start off by doing the kitchen, and I thought I would show you. I love these videos personally, so hopefully you guys enjoy this one too. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. You can see it's open plan. So the kitchen is all over here. We've just got drawers, cupboards, everything is hidden. So we've got the washing machine behind there, the microwave is obviously there, which I'm pretty sure is filthy. Yeah, I only cleaned that literally a few days ago as well, but you know how stuff is when you microwave it. I made lemon drizzle cake a couple of days ago. This is the remains of that. The oven, wow, literally cleaned this as well a week ago, so I'm gonna have to do that again. I just cook a lot, so this is how it gets like this. Got the sink there. I attempted to make donuts, and that is what that is dough on there. So yeah, so we've got all of that. I think the splashback is a little bit dirty as well. So I will be cleaning all of that, including the cupboards where you can see all of that dirt. Alright, so this is the rest of the kitchen then. So obviously we've got the drainer there. This is the fridge, freezer, disgusting bin, mop, brush. And then on this shelf, I never really know what to do with this shelf. It just does my head in. The shelves are just so bland, and it really frustrates me. I don't know why we've got cotton buds in here. I've got tons of letters behind the toaster, random wine glasses, dirty shelves, so dirty tables there as well. Mincemeat packets. That's just because I hate putting food stuff in the actual bin, if that makes sense. I don't know if anyone else does that, but I do, and I try and take it out every day. So first of all, I'm just starting by taking everything off the shelves. As you can see, I've got loads of wine glasses, and I really just don't know why. So I'm just starting by disinfecting all the shelves with some cream disinfectant, and I'm doing the same to the tea, coffee and sugar jars, and I'm just putting them back on that shelf. So moving on now then to cleaning the toaster using the Dettol disinfectant spray. We don't actually really use the toaster very often, but I do find that from the few times that we have used it, it's gathered so many crumbs inside the actual toaster. So I'm just banging those out as much as I can. Otherwise, as soon as you put it back on the shelf, there's just going to be crumbs everywhere. So I'm just grabbing a little bowl and I'm adding in some Fabulosa disinfectant. It smells amazing. I'm mixing that with some hot water, grabbing a sponge, and I'm just cleaning up my glass chopping board and all of the countertops with this little solution. So we're moving over to the other side of the kitchen now then. I'm just cleaning up the countertop, as you can see from all the lovely lemon drizzle cake that I managed to spill everywhere. And I'm basically going to start cleaning above the cooker. So I can't remember what it's called. Is it an extractor? I think it's the extractor fan. So I'm cleaning like the cupboards above the oven and the extractor fan because they are full with grease, which is just so annoying and it's so difficult to get off. But this Dettol spray that I was using was like taking it off perfectly fine. So that was good. So moving on to the oven top now then, I'm basically just using that same Dettol spray. I've removed everything off the top and I'm just going to scrub away until it is gleaming again. I do use a little butter knife or blunt knife to scrape off any of the excess stains that are a bit tough to get off. But don't worry, I don't scratch it or anything, I just gently encourage it away. So I'm just moving on here then to cleaning the rest of the cupboards, and I just did a little bit of organising, nothing major, just quickly rearranged a few things. So we're finally getting to all those dishes then. Oh my god, look at all of those things in the sink. So I'm just pretty much washing everything, putting it away kind of as I go along, just to make a bit more room on the drying board thing, whatever you call it. I literally don't know the name for anything. I'm just like, I don't know what you call it. Alright, so here I've just filled the sink up with some bleach, some washing liquid, not washing up liquid, washing machine liquid, so like fabric softener, anything of the sort. And I've also put in there some Fabulosa disinfectant as well. So I combined all these things and added in some boiling hot water, and it basically just steams up and makes your whole house smell really, really nice. So this is a little trick that I like to use, because also when you unplug the sink, the hot water and all the disinfectants and stuff will go down the drain and hopefully help unclog it a tiny bit. So I'm just cleaning all of the drain then. I've removed the little draining rack, and I'm just basically getting rid of all of that nasty water and the food that's probably dropped down off the plates and whatever else is on there. I do spray it down with some Dettol spray as well to just get rid of any last nasty bits. So moving on to cleaning the microwave now. So I've just taken out the little plate that's in there and I'm spraying the rest with some Dettol spray. I do the inside as well, and I'm using a little scourer sponge to just make sure that all of the food comes up from inside there. I did actually burn some popcorn in it like a couple of days ago, so the smell that was in there was so horrible. So hopefully now it is gone. So this is the finished kitchen. Sparkling clean again, thank goodness. Literally feels so good to have a clean house. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I just want to say that the reason for this video is, like I say, I am trying to promote a healthy mind, a healthy life, and a healthy body. And so obviously most of you know that the cleaner your house is, the better your mind is, or at least that's the case for me anyways. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.